So hello guys. Once again, welcome back to my channel. You are listening to Lucy Plug as usual. Um, I'm not feeling quite okay, but still gonna do what I'm supposed to do because what matters here is discipline, and that means showing up every day, consistency. Even when you don't feel like you wanna, you just know that you have to do that. You have to show up every day. You have to be disciplined. You have to know how to manage risk, and that's simply what is out of the technicals. Like that's what's supposed to do with you. So today, I'm going to really be short and precise to the point. I want to talk about a concept here about grading weeks. What do I talk about grading? You just see this fib level here? This is where you're gonna find it. Okay? Is here. There. This one there. So you're gonna take that and I wanna grade this week here. Why did I not take these and these here or these here? I wanna take these because this is within the range that we are working on and it's the longest week. So I wanna see how price is gonna use those levels there in the lower time frame. So log that in. So what I want us to focus about on the week is the mostly the consequent encroachment level of it. That's the equilibrium. So as long as we are held above that point here, the zero point 0.5 level here, we're going to be operating on a bullish basis. But as long as we break below this consequent encroachment here, I'm going to be looking for shorts. In that case, if we continue to be bullish, I will still want to grade these here and observe how price will use those levels there while delivering higher. So that is basically the concept of grading weeks. And what are these levels here? Well, these levels are there. Okay, there. So those levels there, take a screenshot and adjust them to your chart. So we're gonna go quickly to the 15-minute time frame, and today I was looking for shorts. That was in the New York AM session. The time right now is 11:41 a.m. and it's on a Wednesday, the 13th May 2026. So you can observe this here, the inversion fair value gap being used there at 6 a.m. and slightly at 3:15 and 3:30 a.m. So we have this delivery to the lower downside here. Also, you can take this level here and use it to your advantage there. So what I'm doing here is tape reading, nothing new. What you see me do every day. So yeah, I want you to observe how price reacted on these consequent encroachment level there. You remember these levels here, the blue levels there, the discount week on the daily time frame. Do you see how bodies are staying above that consequent encroachment there? And we are back bullish. I probably think we're gonna come for this here. that minor buy side at 4710.585, and probably these two here, 4715.385. And lastly, I don't like to see these here. Minor buy side liquidity at 4734.105. I do not like to see that there. I don't know whether we can come for these initial buy side liquidity. That's today's initial buy side liquidity. We can. You can see the new day opening gap here. Today's new day opening gap. We can count for these. We can count for these. I do not know where the market is gonna go. Okay. But what I want you to realize is that when you take advantage of these levels, and then these levels you use them at a time where you are getting to the macros, like this here. You see this time here. This is the macro time delivering lower, reacting off this level here, this level here. So today we had PPI. I kind of wanted to see the market deliver on a large scale, but that didn't happen. So we're gonna wait again and see tomorrow. So that's it. Talk to you next time.